Mua, or Mupe, so much to be our main chawan is there. You know, when you come out here, Mammy would be kind. Mammy, or no, what tongue, a year is sure no FA, into or no, or tonton, a year such a water year, and one summer bay, and I've been a year bottle water, and also I won't end for more account be. Now, anything from one I say, Mammy, I'm a power back 106.5 Accra. And I think she affiliated enough for TV. I can't be.
I demonstrate a jamo. If I show you the way I didn't think she had someone to my and so no more my 15 city. Yes, ever time I broke it and say for like yes, I'm don't test money and 50%. They are also your home time. Why? Yes, I'm why.
Mama, then a West Party there. I know the. Yes, she's sure no part of anything. But that's a number of my 80. Not really at 10 cities. I said almost 13 cities. Just went to 70% mark of 4. And you'll be on the one star bed or better. And she has a month to my near Senate. Your ton is done. And why I think you have brain to know what the canary is smart. And I want to clean the old show by sooner than one day. As someone to my wife, I'm sure. Okay, Mamma, you say a better one. Moody kind, your poor mamma mean. More Baba two a year, moon tone, and if you are way away, and that's the way the man say, what does for the year, more Baba to be a cotona, a 1 year bigger. Oh, almost come back. A man and gentleman, a man one gentle, so I feel like being water bill, and gentleman one gentleman. My everything for the night, then try better. The 15 cities near the amount of money as well. Yes, we are bread. Yes, we are bread pie. No money is so easy. And so, you're someone to my you find the money at the amount of one to be a bread pound. They are bread running to the earth, the big press. Near Siamashana, Obidia, some Casayan. And she wants to my Pianto is the best now. Upon my joy. It's maybe who's the number of Prosuano. And a day, also here, not in your saying. And Esther and the same what they are born here 2 minutes to 10 hours to say. They said 50% is not a metrono. They said, so then I may tell you 50%. They said, sir, mean to the Senate. They thought a system at the corner. First, look at that. 20 cities, 30 pieces there. And you go. They don't mean 30 pieces in war. And someone took to my me and Vanessa. Mammy, of a France war. Many about Yamawaba, SOMPA. You, Medemosu. Mamma, answer over the Casano. Who ensures such a no? First, now opportunity saying, they never got to instrument almost on one. Oh, first, and then I'm the 8 cities. So, came my 8 cities. Look at all and Cropon on my 10 cities. But as we said, dear. What came on most 10 cities? What you are feeding almost 12 cities? Over 50%. I would have 3 cities and they so quite young, 1 9 or young. So that's you bet bless near and fast what it is. Yeah, my own nothing to trade here. Minimum should do it. I'm on our not just 1 and 30. I'm an answer because what on the 70% no multi what the multi political. If you tell me, 50%. 50% is not for me get to this city. Obi best radio, Binsu, a Bimusubeshi, from Minina, slim. Naya get to this city. Motion to my wine, yes, make sure what he can, what he can, yeah. What's here? Now, what he told you, people saying, now what is the thing to shape your one? The fear you can say, send over that the people. Oh, me told you day 1 year. Me told me started to me told you day 1 year. Yeah, me started on 80% now. 20%. No more 2. About 10. No more 2 about 50. Not to say that I be 70%. This is it. It's a funny thing now. The Ayana Mukim says, no, anything, no, when you're Makata, I'm a woman says, okay, I'm sure you won't be Yamamu. If I say I know Mokasa, the say for me, no Mokasa, no more dimatem, and a menqua or more 2 more, near me or more 2 more, and no more quarter, no more dimatem if I saw, and then I mean, person make a game. But I say, many about now, I need to show you be now. me we say insurance na san so di misika 50% no e di ama no mimi sa ni nti ma me ye mo akwa ba so mpaso ye wu se wu to nsuo na fe ye hu ya na se wa san so di 50% di ama ada na ofu 50% mo say 70 na
ba to na me kwa 50 ana me to nsuo no o se nsuo no ma to 70%. Ebi kwa to so mo fan di 1 cedi nso 1 cedi me dey ando e dey anya nyina ye do nya test and dia to nsuo dia shop you at for ni say nsuo one o mo am dey mo two mo e so na say e don to na say ye ntimi anya da nso mo to nsuo no mo na mo so mo bre o di nsuo ni ta ya nso a mo so mba ni dia shop you at for ni say o mo nso ya nso so na mo am dey mo so ya so mo nso na say ya ba etimi ato bi ya dia
mate insurance brana man bottle ne ba ko bottle no o ton sen
it will be for 5
enti man o 50% je ne ba ko no no enti mama say ye jawa mo akoyi enne ne de bi ka wo tike o say mi say bre no ana say ebo no atesa e hawa na
the thing they are not the die big na ha because say the omo di two na mo so mo fanji 170 anu ade pa yes ma mo no mo nya bibia nsa ho ebi wa no ma na ye ntu ma to mo apia ta fo no pesa mo so mo se nya de mo nti mo tu ma apia ta fo ka ni mo apia mo so mo pe ntu because iko ba bi a 50% iko ba bi a ba to ka no ma to mo ko so mo fan 70 1 cedi anya dia so mo amhwa na amonka ho bibia ma ye
me da se enti ma me ne ekoso e wo kwa me nkoma teko no na enfiti ate no mi dikan ko mi aye bi a omunye nsuo no ankasa enti me ko aye bi e ma me ko bisa wo mo se no mu tu de kwa bonsen a omu tu no nsuo bi a me ntimi mfa ne di ma me tu da de to me mo kire mu se wo mo no factory ko no omu pegna factory ni e ti wo no kwa bonsen a e 70 to 50%, 70 to 50%. enti no omu tie ko bonsen a ana e bi e bi no di 80.
Wapon homa no atiatum yɛhwɛsɛ yɛnsa ɛbɛsan so aka ne biam na yɛne no adi enkom abusua wei ayama ne boni a wɔto yɛnkra efiri enkrama ntamu na wopon kyekyeku ana yɛte ne nka no a na wɔkyerɛkyerɛ mu sane ensuo no wɔn mo ɛton no ɛwɔ nkran na sɛ sono bia ne boɔ ɛsono bia ne de ɔdegye ana wɔn mo a wɔn mo ton no ɛsrɛ sasanki yɛbɛto mu de ama wɔn mo a enka ɛyɛ ana wɔn mo ton se enyina de egina na 50% ne kura na kwakwa ye gina mobo ene ye brɛ pa nyasam ketoma enti wo mo sresa sanketumi egina 50% no a anka anuoma betumi akoyie ade ama wonom wei ayesahye wota no sade ene yi esibi ekro na woko asante mantamu a ɛwɔ no so kura de anya asam keto wɔn san sɛ enkran frama fa ne sɛ nsuo tɔ no na asante mantamu so de edi akyire ɛwɔ no so de no wɔmanfo agye ne sɛyi wɔn to nso ane wɔn a wɔn so ɛtɔ no sɛ yankasa ana ho hyehyɛ esi ɛteɛ ne nyinaa mu no yankɔ ɔman so ai na ya ne yɛma ne bɔni a wɔto yɛnkra efiri asante mantamu bawa beidu enkonkodi enkomo bawa wɔteme nka a yɛmo adwo na enema bɔkɔ de
na me admo mi so wo so hoye
wajana dawro ma yekura mu pa asante mantamu fe ne yafem wo sɛn ana wɔmanfo se begye nsuo yi a ebi mo se yatum ebi se yantumu wɔn ton no angasa de wɔn se yatum asuaye no a wɔn hwɛ adwade ne mfiri nyuma sese ye ma ne nyina de agina sɛn na asante mantamu ɔmanfo a wɔn ton nsuo no wɔn so fa asemi
ena ko si amame na wase na me nka se sawo ba asante mantamu a aha no nsuo no a yɛtɔnom no then you know that I'm saying a break a train in normal your margin on the two. Yeah, young Cassia to our money penny for in common normal years, so I'm penny focus here. I'm penny and 5 million pound, I'm penny focus and essence to the one. The dear was a dinner, why there was a dinner. Now, so the dear as antimantemua, much me a case to the affair. Almost here is say I'm penny for the buy. Nsuo no sɛ ne yɛtɔ dada no a saa na ɛteɛ no ɔsɛ wobɛduru asantemantemu a mafo aforɔ paa na wohwɛ mmeaeɛ bi a ɛto nsuo paa wode w'ani kyerɛ santasitu ahwehwɛ nkwanta kwan no so a nsuo no yɛtɔn hɔ paa wokɔ kenyeti adumu a ɛhɔ nso yɛtɔn paa ɛna afei nso wode w'ani kyerɛ boɔ ho tuɔfe nso ɛyɛ kwan no nso ɛhɔ nso ɔmotɔn pempram no kasɛ no gyina boɔ ho na me ne wo kasɛ na mɛka sɛ Niankasa no pension matobianum. Mentor grama Tommy and Son. Niansana metono. Like I say, no one of the 50% now, almost the year, I was antimandemono. Sa no more the year. Baby, so Honswa, Opa, 50%, no more finding a mum, Omma, and someone see. Into someone's near the own to me, job of 50%. Into no next, Dana is anything. And our friends say, Oko Badia, oh, turn the park no. One pack no. Baby, almost only 8 cities. And the baby, so almost only 8 cities. Baby, so almost only 10 cities. You mean baby, almost only 12 cities in Bembring. No, very nice show in the municipality. And the Oko baby, almost only 8 cities. Now, I say, can't the bar, can't the G6 cities. Now, so we are now Okota Park, never what you are going to do. Okoton, what on the 8 and now almost one. That town of 10 cities a bag, no, and almost on Wakamu, 8 cities, no. And no, yet, it's a say, what that, and now the other or Matu. Now, Pembre and Saka Penny Bafu and the person in the command design. If you are not baby, I'm in the 2 million to me. If you sound the baby, you know, I have your 2 and I am 2. Open your father to pass some pennies so far. Yeah, and the water soon out and you got 2 and I. Let's go back. One, a 5,000. I'm talking for me, and him to me and chat. Wednesday, and you're going to give a beginning. I had a place before. Take one or so. Let's not just met to 1 year, and that's a hard way. Back, no, you had the mum 60. I back in the maid. You took me now. 120. And can not army, did you? Yeah, just lay 5 cities. And then what? This is the way I check. Best in the company. And the giant enough. And soon, the pay. One one is not now. What's up, my son? And once he's enough, it's about 2 1 year, 5,000. Yes, almost motor, 1 1. When you feel a young swamp, so much more. Oh, could be a January. A January, yes, a 2 years. Then I said, you get sugar. Who do a paper what is happening? So who's that day? A cheese. Every year, no man want to be January. So much more about how old you are. There be going to be into some capital and a phone. I go to the doing into. Yes, so a big message. You never body, but a young no man was January and 1 paper of it now. Allow me, AKOSUA.
Bawa mitio. Bawa mitio kapa.
Opanyi ba kuna yani na din komono. Pembre o jina mzema ute so no kwa bia wono na ni bisa no so no kura no. Wato no say nti so wo betu asantiment mu a. Na kase. Nsuo no de aha no penyi kwa hye omo de ba ye ndie. O mu tisuo. Na onu omu din kowo so a omo nye omo agin se omo peso omo kilo san se. Omo tie mpanyifo no. Ana ke omo te ahokyira Ghana fo ekogu ase. Even though some penny for say, Iran name, America for the Quentino, near man quiet, and then so on the normal can say, every more day now, but the announcement is the best of what. And so much over from why I'm going to know about sentiment and one say, a quarter than 1 of the day, and almost one, almost your mind is almost tissue. You almost almost by the end count, you the sentiment in there. Then you almost did a quarter than a star, almost a year and count.
Bawa.
Nanya Mudia.
Mo, what woman at Tekoi?
Engineer Matron says, open through a sentiment. A quarter than 1, almost a Giano. Almost so many your margin say. Almost the scanning the bra air to so.
Okay, you.
Okay. It's not the idea a bar. Okay. Almost your man would be a higher nothing. Okay. You know, Nakas is over to us and Mantamua. It's a young thing, 1 more year. And Common could you over Omo Tonso, Omo Omucha, Omo Omutubatono. That can say, Omo, you open you for. Anna Moichi, now almost super percentage. And 2 and Mantawadia. Nakan said the other, no money on my days, almost 2 in Shobuni.
Yo, Yada se ane wamane ebo a wode abrabusua wai ayeba wabedu asante mantemu ene wode wei efri yenkwai na yenkonkodi enkomo enso emfiri honom na yene na najma opambo enso nkokasa opambo yamwaju
yemo mi
mo na bono ene na fam tesai
mo bi ala me da se ha ye boko enkomo ese nso ho asemi de aya asema aya senkese wo Ghana ha
aya asema
na da no kwene se oba movement ha pure water na anase structured water na emre bi eba asenka ebetum na nso trade minister obewura mu ma mpemfo ti ase no oba ha dia ntumu no eye adwuma wo ha omo atumu wo ha enti enanso sanso ma yeti abonte na ye ne omo tonso no bi enanso so omo a omo kotonso edi nkomo na in fact over ntumu no aba na omo chere success no omo top 3 producers no ho no omo say it depend brand bia na ne bonemu de na first omo tone 9 cities no say e kwa 11 cities 50 pesos and na na omo tone 6 cities no say so e kwa 7 cities and na so ntino say de na nka uyi 1 city a utiminya sachet water miensa konom no say no 1 city unya miensa na emo 2 city na ubenya miensa enti ye ne omo di omo tonso no bia na so omo produce ni di nkomo na ebisa se aden komodi a ekọ no omo anti bia na omo kire mu se di ya adwuma no omo nte so enti ho rubber bit se parking park a omo de purchase me chemu na omo se person na nko omo ton 460 Ghana cedis na so se ya ye ka se omo ton 570 Ghana cedis ena o hwe de ye di nsuo nu kuma ye ti anonom na first no 1 kilo no omo ton 33 Ghana cedis and so say ya make say and also now 40 Ghana cedis and she say omo hwe san na we nyina na say trade ministry say oni omo di nkomo na anamonto bia nkoso bie ma na so omo ka so omo ton bo dada na omo ton na che say e ka na beba enti oba bu no ha dia mpanimfo ni omo ahia omo de 1 cedi ato omo prices no so na che producers no and producer nanka such as not only 3 cedis no say on the power on the 7 cities 1 city na is so e wo momentum a enti amo koto enum no the brain so so because who pietu abonte ba what say ya ka say ye nya to sache water mu na so be kono na usike kura no entiment ododo a opeta woto no enti akwa ya asema timemufo bebre no so na afi omugogo na so producers no de uti omo excuses na kwa biso no eto afumu kakra etimi na ba momentum anokre nso no yatum
ayo de yatum saye no ayo ba bi ho mo abehunu no ne obi ase ne ye ntonsuo ye na mo ayanka se de nsuo beko se yanka se na bono de no ekọ ohun se edwadie no afa ne nsuo ton ho no ekọ fam wana won komodie ne agyarifo no na tesai
ne komodie ne agyarifo no koye se omo koto so no bebe disappointed said the American first no you went to dia okwa koto sa e water na se structured water no miensa akogu ni office ana ne ka mu anum na so se no okwa o you went to na o nya sa enu ti se auto miensa and obeto ba ko 70% anum enti ese no ama market no e wo form kaka expectation no omo ton so no omo so in fact ebi kwa oni ni di nkomo a obi be di sabo no na so omo ka kire na o se na mi nya nto ene obekwa ko no pipe nso enti market no de e wo form e wo ha
yo my phone si na yen kwa ma no so ne mpanyimfo nkodi ho nkomo no asese ye abosia wai arana na opo checheku wadesa na agyeman wo pambo ene yetene nkan bono mantamo ena ode wei efri ye kwone ne Owura Charles Kusia Pia wo executive secretary de ma Ashanti Business Owners Association ye no ekwa wakasa opanye kasa ma adwoe ye mamomo ne adwuma nso Wadoroma ya frawa numre yi ni abo promu a eye boko ankomotwetwe bi abase na wotwe miensan ka kwa ne bosome so ababa to apunuchi ana eye di won komo a am ye dia frawe mo na ba na dwadie mu a mabi muo ye hwa ye se ensuo buo won mu ye ensuo asa nneɛma no boɔ kɔ soro nneɛma a wɔde yɛ nsuo no nti anam so ama wɔn mutum asoɛ yɛ hwɛ adwadeɛ ne mfiri nwuma soɔ sɛ yɛne mo de kasasie nti ɛnya de nsuo no mbɔtom ama na yɛyɛ sɛ abɛtwetwere wɔn bo nanso ɛnɛ yɛate ne sɛ esuma se dwadeɛ mu a bi ma hase a wɔn mato wɔn die mu anam so nti no nsuo no ne tɔn no asase a ɛkɔ fam yɛnra deɛ mu na ba na dwadeɛ mu a mabi mu o ɛkɔba ne sɛ yi a wei sɛ metwe wei nso menyɛ mu ɛsan yankasa na ya na madwadie no esi bi kɔyɛ ɛma aban no so olusu bibi ana
Pastor Amanda was no can you say the name of bow or more inflation rate and so forth. Inflation rate echo form policy rate echo form policy rate echo form not Ghana referencing rate and so forth and so form non lending rate and so forth. Nti my business only high no na business for only how more never bo air for no that is it in customers so to me at only my coffee and the my economy grow the reverse of it happened then never bo air cost it will affect inflation. The moment inflation goes higher, the disposable income of the ordinary Ghanaian get depleted. The purchasing power form. Which I feel to mean to AGYEIWAA. When to mean to AGYEIWAA, it get in Sunkoso. It get in Sunkoso. Business people know the sales are affected. Sales are affected. Their revenue so are affected. When our revenue goes affected, our profit will be affected. Government will also lose taxes. If you see economic either stagnation or recession, when Niema Bo started a cost, it is a share for the past 1 year. Who say Niema Bo eco form now? Am my economy now is stabilized a crime? As you say, when things begin to change, now cost of importation cost through, it will affect manufacturing, production, and prices. I feel economy now actually echo back to where we started from 2023, 2024. And this situation, it doesn't help the country, it doesn't help the economy, it doesn't help business people, and it doesn't help the ordinary Ghanaian.
Na wadawo mo akoba ne sei no a aya yanya dai titiru ne womo a wo produce no ade ana motuo no mbetimi atuo sanse aban de ne ho agye mu sei no aya na matemamufo na mo nso kwa akoto no wo mo ya chenchene atwan enti sei no ya wo mo nya dan yankasa
we say what is actually causing reduction in inflation. Majority of it is what we call imported inflation has reduced because of stabilized forests. Now, something is adding on to the new cost. That is the introduction of the Republican, the AI at the port. Ama cost of importation air cost. And as businesses, when our cost of importation air cost, our best bet is to transfer some of these costs to the consumer. It is the only solution or the intervention that government can introduce. Hey, overshare port home. Not the AI, no high import values. They are addressing. If you don't address this, there's nothing business can do. Yes, government can tell business, I want to support, I want to intervene, but we can't always address the thinking. Let's find the root cause and address it. The situation, production and basically ever cost through because
of cost of importation at the port. Until that is addressed, and you could hear trade associations like Trade Forwarders Association, Kucha, all associations calling on government to look at the introduction of the Republican AI, its repercussions on business and economy, and suspend its implementation, making a solution to it. Yes, it is accepted. Government needs revenue, but at what cost to businesses? At what cost to the economy? At what cost to the ordinary Ghanaian? If your quest to rake in revenue is at the consequence of collapsing an economy, then as a government, you have to relook at it. There are so many ways that government can adapt to raise revenue. But you don't have to introduce a policy that becomes punitive to the very core of the economy. If we can't do anything, this is at the doorsteps of government, that you should look at what is causing cost of importation so high and address it. When you address it, price will get back to its normal rate. There won't be disparities in prices. The economy will start doing well again.
Yenim sasa asemi a wokan akoba no sa ban na ba beredi budget bia no a adwadefo mo kopeja ho asemba say importation no nka enuoma bo no so betimi ate wo hono kakra de amamo se na be ya mo import enuoma de ba mo wetumi aton no sade mo pe no anase mo timi anya no sade mo ankasa be ma mo hwan ha mo na so ye kan a enuoma bo no entumi nko ne seye no madda dwene temamufuo ho na mo hunu se the consequences no mo no aba beto temamufuo no a yenso so ye no mudi dwane so ana
mami muni wai ni ho o de dia ade ko dwane obi ameta o business de begu akwaji loan e o bank o be na twa loan o down di ko sia wa afi bank fo ba beji. It is not in the interest of any business person to overprice items beyond what the market can accept.
Okay.
But there are factors that is beyond the reach of that business person in controlling prices. Three of them, the market government policies. Last year, we saw microeconomic stability. It is in 2026, there will be economic transfer of the microeconomic benefit to microeconomic gains for businesses. But what I would say, there's a little that we can do. We would have loved to absorb all the costs.
Okay.
But their capacity, it has a limit. So we definitely have to pass on to the consumer. But the challenge is, if you want to pass it on to the consumer, now we need purchasing power. It doesn't make any sense. So what do we do?
And when no edru maybe amu won say say aban no ya chechere monse agumachi ana.
What is happening now? That is exactly it. In the name of correcting a defect at the port. Yes, see, in 2019, when the former government introduced the benchmark values on 50% on imported items, 30% on vehicles, there was a lot of economic gains for this country.
Okay.
Don't overprice.
Okay.
Don't introduce technology to punish businesses. Na Emma will be on
Yo.
This year, the next year, our economy will grow faster than anticipated because last year economic stability. This year is economic growth. But government policy is counterproductive, and it's not helping the economy.
Anya dia abua o meye sikasam Yira Charles kusiapia yada sanobre. Abusiani anana kasa ye Yira Charles kusiapia no wa executive secretary Adema Ashanti Business Owners Association na yete se wono so chirechire mu edechire se nanka afidi omo hwani mu se de manyina bekoto te de ama wo mu nanso de omo hwani mu no enya no eno mu sakan what bite kasebo ento aso yede emamu.
Ewusia ye de hot bites kase bono ento aso no eto aso ede amamo bibia ni circuit court etna se ene na sofo bia ye frɛ no Apostle Dr. Richmond Akwesi Frempong edin eda no so eno no ya wo kire se wono ena ye head pastor woda Anointed Grace Prayer Ministry a ewo kofo camp abofrem anu ebeto odwa se akodabotofo a wadi bosome no enum 5 months woni nkrofo bi ebo wo muti pam ho se chese wo mo de kwakwa ya akoda na juda suo mu beye dubako entem ho ewo sumina so na dansini bi okopie honom entem na wotimi etwitwaje akoda ya ene no so ma ya chisofu court no tenase no ye kiremu ese ya remande ne se wonkotwere adabampuno achi woni nipa mienu bi a eka ne ho na sofui wadi mfihye na duasansia 36 years na wo mo ka ne ho no ene Beatrice Ejapoma mfihye na duonu miensa 23 na Emmanuel Apia ya wono no adi mfihye na duonu mu miensa 53 years na yede wom kopie mu ewo emra no anim no entansa hodo beye nan na yayantam ede asen wo mu ekun na wo mu kiremu se de wotoso nan a wono so ye suspect ewo saa asemi ye frɛ no Emmanuel Donko wonde ye kase watunkuruma guni na ase wode ne na kanwura na mbaabi kura ya hwehwe na ye hunu na kwadubofo kiremu se asemi April ni da na etoso enkron na esi ya na dwo beye nondu ekodu baako entem ho wo mu ko hu se papa yi eyesofo yi ekita akoda botofo yi a wadi 5 months yi anaya echa eno eni edian court no etenase no ebeto odwanti yesesa nipa ye ya kire wo mu nyina no wo mu ka wo mu tipam ho se wo mu ebedi ewu enti eno so eka entansa yede ayantam wo mu kunu police fo kire mu ese adansefo a wo mu ebaaye ede wo mu adanse ebaaye no wo matimi enya evidence a bia ebeka se we no so ya dance ni nti wonu na ni twie mu a wo hunu ye na nsem ahodo a obeka ye kire aposifo no so no eboa ama hwehwemu no atimi akonkanti ye kasa de wo mo kɔ remand na wɔtwe mienu 2 weeks na 2 weeks no eso a eye bibia ni circuit court ebesan afre asem no ebiem na ne wo ho no wo mo de atoa so nti wo hwe ye Facebook no so a akode ya ye ka ne ho asem 5 months no wo no na eda maame no ena so a kyesa akoda ne ho fe no na wei enyenya me na fe akira anka akoda yi wo mo kwa akoye ne bone ya enti 2 weeks remand no eso a won besan atena asem no so na de wo ho bia no wo mo de atodwa
Arawo sambia si ewa wutu papa so number 1 eno ewa wutu senya Westminster mu emfimfi mantemu asem ane ye kan na ena womachi ya chasade baba chi nei ye nyina hu ma Ghana fana ba bia de nkam ye se nsuo topa ampanyfo se nsuo beto ya na mframa di kan na we de na de na che kura yi emu agrada na adwudwaro na nya asem keto ma bi so ya soma bi ane ade na enya asem keto makora se na mu nsem wono na doso na adeche ya ntahwe no nienim se janka enwa no na so enenu mre yi ya kenkan no nsia kase boy ana ababada dwa etrose akoda ba mu a wanya mfinhia no enan ne din ene goswe no chuga wone ne nua abamu ano no so kan ho no so nya mfinhia no aduasa enumonu an krade wanyini ni mu apagya ya na won eda dan mu sabre no ewrade edan adwiri ade agu won so ama babia won da no eni enya yiye papa ya akoda no krade wonka atiasefo ehu biem na wɔn mo kyerɛ sɛ ɛbra ɛdan no dwurugu wɔn mo so no na obi anya mfirimu na sɛnea wɔn mo te bia ne sitie ne nti wɔn mo nim sɛ o daasɛ boa wɔn bɛkɔ ayɔsabea wɔn bɛsan so ababiem enti wɔkura deɛ ho nhia sɛ nsɛmtwerɛfo aso bɛte ɛno sɛ no mɛno nsia yɛ mu kaseɛ bom yɛte sɛ akodaa bɛ mu a wɔnyɛ mfinhyia no ɛnan no wɔfiri mu a ne nua panyin no so baabi a wɔda no ani ɛyɛ nyan yɛma ne bɔ ne kwaku adema wɔno ɛna de ama ne bɔ no ɛbɛbɛsom yɛyɛ a wɔkyerɛ sɛ yɛkasa yi Ebusuani ya wɔn totonto paa na adansefo a na wɔn mo gyina wɔ akyerɛ sɛ ɛdan no wankasa no na ayɛ no ho te sɛ ɛtetedan no bie no saa na wɔn mo si no na tetedan no so ansa na ɛbɛdwira guo no na kyɛ sɛ biribi kuram san sɛ ɛno no sɛ ne wɔn bi si no ayɛ na emu ɔden paa enti wɔ wɔn nim deɛ kɔba ayɛ a ɛnam so ma ɛdan no dwiri gu yɛ kasa yi akoda ketewa koraa yɛ a wɔdi nkyene koraa ɛnkyɛ yɛ goswe no twuga ɛnɛ wɔn ka atiasefo ho a wafiri mu yayaye yaguso da ya de ani edi asam yi achi de be pia firi mu ababiada anya de be mamaso asi ewo ho Yetoa ensem no eso Ghana ban de wɔn nsa akɔsensan entiase apam bi a wɔn ne European Union EU adwumakuo no na aka pam ho abambo ho asɛm wɔn bayire mu dankran tishu pa ɛwɔ security agencies akodoɔ no wɔn dwumadie emu ɛwɔ Ghana ha sei na enkrataa ya wɔn de baaye ene date ne da so asoye hye amanoni dwumadie ensem so wɔn na de sa enkrataa yi ɛbaaye na wɔn nso na ne European Union fo wɔn kɔtena se edi komode wo monsa esensan sa enkrata yi na enkrata no mo makyere mu se emiaeme yahodo bi a sa bambo yi ebeye adwuma eye tuatefo atena ye ho se yempene enye ntena ho nhwe han na enipa bonifo bi mfiri wo man mu emmeto nhye wo man so ewo atuate kwa so eno no ne yefre no counter terrorism no eno so wo mo behwe sia no afei ensuo nso bambo ho ensuo so kronobo internet so kronobo yahye hodo ne nyina de bia efa bambo ho a etimi expose wo my Ghana se ebia ye bambo ho nsam no ebetimi ahihim no saa entiase apami enu adwuma kese pa en wo mo babaye na Ministry of Foreign Affairs for wo mo nkrata ya wo mo de baye wo makire mu se efiri se wo mo boss ano ho bayi enkrofo bi asase ediridi nkobo kire mu san we kura yete ye wo mo betititi military base ahodo bi a ye de asrafo framanone na ye bebo wo madwa wo Ghana ha na sebe wo mababaye de wo mo pe na oswafo ya odasa asoye no ano onunyafo Samuel Kujeto ablakwa edi atu dwase wo mo a wo keka sansem no sebe wo mo ennim de wo mo ka kra no wo mo nte ensem na wo mo ka se ade abeto dwase ye yire bambo mu no eba ne sei ena ye de foreign military bases eba begu wo man mu na wo se bambo no nko na enye se ye yire mu wo yahye so ye nsuo so ene ne ma bi etete sanemum bambo adwuma ekuo no ankasa no wo mo ye adwuma wo mu se adwuma efo no ye be hyeda amma dodo no aso ntete efa kwan a wo befa so edi wo mu dwuma se bia immigration fo a na ya ma mo special training se wo bi entimi emfiri ba bia wo fire na won fa yahye so medi bone emeye nima bi asabe ensem fata ewo maimu enti saa niema no nyina na ewo saa apam yi emu a wo mo ehwe nim se enioma nyina ebetimi akoyie na wo mo se nanse mu entem ba abibre mu atoya bambo ho asam no ehihim kakra na eto wo nyonko so dia na ensesa wo twetwe ho na wo yi wa adwen firi so kura esesa wo so utimi hyehye niema enuti na Ghana ban no so wo mo ehyehyɛ niema se de be ya emfiri wo bi ma so emma mesan wo my Ghana sanse aban esuan ho kom se wo mbebo omanfo nyina eho ban enti ye hwe ni mu se san hyehye wo mo hyase na wo mo de ye adwuma ebetimi aboa ama atuatefo ya wo moto hya ma hodo so ntichu pa ene ebibrem atoya ma hodo bi no enya de se ye bete sansem ne bi ewo my Ghana emu Ama Ghana photo san for Dr. Casella to force and edi Ghana ho adanse yi wase wa man ye gusu ada ya ye konkodenti yempene ye kirasa Ghana no wankasa ye fradom mu kwa adom wa yesika sam etuto yi na wose ye nchakora aban no eka wodo ya ye dinyina ye betuatua ama Ghana no wankasa ye krabahwe wo mafo kon bedo kyese Ghana hu su kon bede nkrofo maman so se wo mu de wo mu nioma eni adwadie mu nsam ene Ghana beba beto kese ama no wayeji way a World Bank regional vice chairman president at the Western and Central Africa World Bank wamkita wodie bia wamo ene wo meya so ya ehwe sika sem so kodi ye na Dr. Kasela to Fosen ekwokyerechire mo kyerɛ sɛ World Bank ne IMF nyina akora no Ghana yeje wamo awawa atu na wamo hwe wo man no sane ye na motuo sitie free bra IMF ye adwen sɛ yɛte ye ho na ide free mo sanse ye bosia boy kwobro ye ɛwɔ mo nkyɛn no ye ne wɔn mo atetem no nti no kyerɛ sɛ ampaniampa ne nuane ampa wo ma Ghana sase a yesua nante ye free sɛ ye wiane mu.
Ghana's experience over the last 15 months demonstrate that African countries can not only navigate crisis, but obviously be able to harness the opportunities such crises present for reforms. My country faced some very difficult and severe economic crisis since 2022. However, following the implementation of very bold policies and reforms, particularly since January 2025, we have been able to rebuild the macroeconomic fundamentals in record time. Today, I'm proud to say that growth is up, inflation is down.
Near turn and carry on my Ghana photo sound for Dr. Kasela Ato Fosen.
Yetwa enyumre nonsia kasie bono eso SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. Wo ensemfoforo emuno Combined Kumasi Central Market Traders Union eye eku ebe adwedi a womo so womo edi na womo ma ban yi ekosi May ne de to so ne de to etwato ewo afi 2026 emu se wo ba bia sika hye bia womo konkoyi sika no se de be ya contractor wo ye kejetia phase 2 project no wo betimi awie na ene wo friends mtwofo enhia mu panyina woda entutue ano ema ekuo no eye Daniel Otuo echampon wode ato dwa se eye adwadifo no wo breye papa ye nyasem ketwa efiri afempinu ene aduonu baako 2021 ya ye tu wo free Kumasi Central Market se wo mba be ye sa project no besi enne wo ntimi wie project na adwadifo no kra no wo ho kyere wo na union no kasa ye mu no wo asere pa se ensuo to a jai cheseria hode wo mogye wo ho kura enye ena nanse mu sunsuo na hyase egugu we ya ahyase yi enya de se ebetwa ne enti esese wo mo hye na wo mo ye sanse esi no nyina wie project no se de be ya wo mo adwerifo no nso no wo makoni aba ho nsem betimi akonkan wuyi ensuo to na eba be yiri di afa ho no mo a sabe border tantan tan eniema ensem fata ema apomuden ho nsam no to ape ewo empotem ho eno ena sa project no so wo mantimi anwie a ede ehun sunsuaso ebeba na wo se na nsem ntem Professor Jenna no opoku ageman ya wo ye mampani abedi akire eba empotem ho be kire wo mo kura be hye wo mo nkura so contractor no enche kura eye matcha etwa anwi wo beba be hye adwuma na se na watimi awie nso bepemene project no ne da ho no hwede aye ya besi ene wo mu enwie ye nti wo masere pa se empanifo emremu se de be ya wo betimi awie dwumadie no woni yama ne boni ba wa beidu edi nkomo
You say phase 1 I am a project. What I did I want to buy. That you want to buy okay more. I probably I am perfect planner. Gonna have one in Sina. Say a CPV, not a Gana Piano Hoka. The CPV, a Gana Piano Hoka phase 1, you have 5 years. If you have about 95% a year, how much you can? And as you can so much fidelity accounts. And now I buy accounts in Casabia, I buy no Africano at the fidelity in some. And for the 4 vice presidents, ever have a say, so I'm best at Yadumano. A piano or more refusing can be down. It's a piece and not dealing. I'm on my Yadumana. I almost said, Sikano Midi face 1 of your premium near Sika. You are Uchama Abano. Ada, and take phase 1, and no actual hooker every year. And your catch the abundance Abana Hop, Amakamai, Amakaye. It's a way and you're threatened. No one be a catch the abundance. Sikana Dahon, so I'm going to my young man there, and then I did that.
Ene ya yekotie sesie yi eye Owura Daniel Otuo Echampon wono ene Director of Operations Emma Combined Kumasi Central Market Traders Union woni yamani boni ba wa beidu ena edi sankomo yi
Yaka say adwumafo anasa dwadefo ye wo ma Ghana mu wano kabo mu koguta wano mo atiachia e wa ban no so nyina no ayen hye bi ekoso wo porta wo mo kire se wo mo bonyo sokora nti wo mo so betente se kokko ama Ghana ban ehu bi na wo ko tema central bottom peso so a wo mo nya for Charles Forson ana ye mo hyebedwani ya wo koto sere guta fo se wedo obasrada ewom abana ye nyoma bi am bonyo so de na so mo fumo ne ntotemamufo no a mo ne won mu di dwana so papa na adwene ya munya yenti a anam so nti machi atwia no monsansa samadwene sanse eno beboa amoman na dwadie no asanso akoye bio.
Striking in the form nurses cost strike affected system, teachers cost strike, intermediate strana stress, omori consider human face, udi NDC government here in summer omokaya DHA every day over cost strike because you disappointed by NDC government niche yes yenu issue and train Republican way your friend is saying AI they be maybe say is it because say yen design thinking to the core in terms of the governance. I mean be it you in opposition or in government train say obey a mistake in answer. Into other than Yamfa or more good freight forwarders. Therefore, Montanas, let us in your framework ever OBPA. Media as I keep saying. Is there right or your right so or so much strike by best stress or put a human face to the strike action? Because any action in any form it affects the economy drastically, it affects the living standard of OBPA.
Near turning carry I am Rasabajania with Jinamotemo Manfua. I want a Central Abattoir Empress so you Charles Forson.
Ma yafa wu enwura adesua ensemu kakra na afiya ye womu yi eye adesuafo ya wo mokwa akotena se na wo makotro eye May June West African Senior School Certificate Examination ya ye twediti awa efre no wasi ensohwe no afidie ne bedanso kakra ne nti e bedanso ene se adesuafo beye empem ahenan Edrioson miensa ahensia edronum nwotwe 473,658 and a final year adesuafo a wo mo register ekwakotena se ensohwe yi na ne enti afidie ne beye nsronko kakra no ene se wo mo ne amamman ahodo beye enan na tese Ghana ene amman ahodo 9 na eka bomu atro brekro no a na ne enti abasa ne se mre bi atwam sa na etie COVID-19 no ebaaye no ena Ghana fo home so kakra twen wo mo ho se ye ehumesua ensachiraye ene eniema hodo bi ye dandani afei ena afi after 5 years no abrewa eyipuma kwemu se Ghana ebesan akwa join sa ekuo no enti Liberia, the Gambia, Nigeria minor ena Sierra Leone Ghana so eka ho nti wo mo akoka amanya hodo enan yi ho ama na yenum ya bre kro no a ena saa ensohwe yi ebekoso na free registration no wo hye numbers ya ye de etu dwa no a emu 248,461 eye mema ena 225,197 enso eye ma na tese wo hwede a emema no edoso chen ema no wo mo so a private fo no wo ma register no eye apem ani aduro no enti no ginamu ma ohamu nchichemu mienu echiripo aduonum enwotwe 2.58% na chese wo de toto afi etwa mu no a wo mo ko register ewo ankrankra ni di mu na yade ampagemu kakra aba na panyina wodan kitahudie ano ewo West African Examination Council eye waye kadwumekuo no onunyamfo John Carpi wono na de tu dwa se wo mo ye nhyehyeye bia sese wo mo yese de beye a bosumi a yeba besimi yesi ebi kura hyase ye visual artfo no ana afi kura no wo ma be hyase enso hwe na nkasa ne de May ekosi June en wo mbehye atro ni nyina edi afri ho na wo kire se wayekefo wo maya hoboa se empempi ya no wo hawa hodo a wo munya e wo wasi enso hwe no emu no afi de wo mo hwe anim se saa wo hawo no enam hyehye ketina wo mde agu akwan mu nti no enya de se wo mbehunu saa wo hawo no ye de ni edi ekire wo mo hyase a se de nioma no ne hyehye ne eko nyina ye bekọ rounds ahodo na ye de ho amanebo asom yetiefo
Yaguswara jina ahomasuamu na Africa Education Watch wamso yeko ba ko a eba na ahomasuamu wan mo ka bi ema ban aso atie na wodwano atomu bi atrose ayara ho sampa sankoda kwotworo so na sabi won mo ntwa na nkoda ne mom na ya na ho ntansane nsunsanso be sha wo mo ebi so krampo won ma wo mo dia po awura mu na so na school no ye wo headmaster headmistress awoda no a wonu mom na wose yedo sobo ebo no wo se sa de na wose Ghana ye twamuo so ko bia no ye be hunu sa headmaster headmaster anase school no ankasa no enkoda abo apododo ewomu no was a school panyina wodi anu sa headmaster na headmistress no ye pamwo na ohun se ekoba no sa no a ebebo ma school no ankasa na ye kan sa discipline no ahosese no tumi aye adwuma na enkoda no ankasa tumi adawo mo so ewo nuoma bi ho na momu no ene yi a yemfa so bo ma chechefo yemfa bi mo school panyimfo nti da nyina no ensohwa no se enwiemu bemu a ano se eba executive director adema ekuyi eye yewra Kofi Asare wono anane nsamtwofo akasa ya na dwonkyere odema yesi.
Almost 15% of students had at least one result cancelled. What is worrying is of the 14.8% malpractice, 99.7% occurred in the examination room. It means that the bulk of the situation is defined in the examination room, which is what we call examination room collusion between invigilators and then students or candidates. Even though Ghana is preparing for 2026 WASI by June, which is going to be our first WASI West African neighbors since COVID, no school head has been sanctioned. If we continue not to demand accountability from school leadership, Ghana could be heading towards 20% malpractice in 2026.
Anwachino so afano computer placement no so no wapanyi pai aka bibi kakra adefa ho na so say na school placement no say.
We are calling for a recalibration of the CSSPS system so that once students are only able to complete school selection after they have seen their results, they shouldn't be allowed to select schools that their raw scores do not meet the cutoff in the first place, so that we take the burden off category A schools and reduce the burden to only students that have raw scores within the cutoffs of these schools. We request that the Ministry of Education reverts to the 2024 software that was used. We noticed that there were challenges with the 2025 software, and we called on the Ministry of Education last year to maintain the old software because of the developments that have occurred on that software between 2017 and 2024.
I was your Africa Education Watch. Wapanyepaya wadano yira Kofi Asare na ne anyokuti.
Yedaswa ejina ehumasua ensem so na Asena Tandanso Traditional Council ene womu ehyiaye na womasema womu kanyina ne se woma hyase edi asomdwie eho anamuntu ahodo bi ewo entoasoso ku senior high schools no emu ne tichupa ewo Asen empotem ho se de beya nanse muntemu menteme ho asene basabasa yo ya ekoso ewo Cape Coast mfifi mantem wabra na womu eye inter schools competition ko wiase adisuafo binumu ekoprepraye a enya asem keto wo mu de kɔbɔ ani wo hɔ no wo mo mpɛsɛ saa de na esi ye no ebi ebesan si biem enti ene wo mo nenam schools ahodo no na wo mo ye nkyerɛkyerɛ ɛfa asomdwie ene ye kwan a wo mbesi fa kɔndate wo mo ho sɛ de bɛya ne me ye etete sɛ no yensan NTB emfree emfifi mantam no emu na baafo agyei wono wa wotoso edu wono na ye kontihene ɛwɔ Asen Jakai ene praso na ono kuro yanso na ye headmaster woda Asen Damai Senior High School no ano wono na edi enhyiamudie no eni wakasa de etia eniema bia etise ya mpempi ekoso ewo ye schools ahodo no emu.
Ananom Atasen Tenesu Traditional Council, we have officially written to GS and they have approved. So we've planned of going to all the Asen secondary schools to talk to them. Ananom's mandate is to maintain peace in our society, of which you have the schools. So if there is something of that nature which is disturbing the school and the community as well, Ananom have to get in, talk to our people and try to put them together because others suffered. Could remember Asen, for instance, their buses were damaged. Asen Suta, same. So we are going to reconcile them, talk to them, so that they wouldn't have that to try to retaliate because it wouldn't help. The facilities there is not meant for the student alone. Nananom also owns it. The whole community owns it. Each and every one in the area owns it. So it is not good for students to spoil it. They have a term that legal spy. That when they were in school, something happened. So they need to retaliate. So when they complete and they come back, they come and support those in a school to do same. Very bad.
Wei eye nana bafo agyei ya wotoso edu wono na ye kontihene ewo Asen Jakai ene praso wono kuro yanso ena ye headmaster woda Asen Damai Senior High School no ano ewo mfinfi mantam ne mu.
Afeyere kasebo no akọ ansam fufumu ekwa bia ka wo nwa bo masubri bi adiama Ghana ban atrosa sanke betumi ya wo nko adwene na so aban fanka ye pa sa fango bo no a akwa gina agiramo abo no wedi adawro mo aban ne ntesoe na sidi no baako ne mpesoa no ensia ene num 1 Ghana cedis 65 pesos no Ghana ban ahwese obetumi ayi area free fango so ama oman no ahyenkafo ekomu atumi an ha wo mo na wei eyeku awodo bese nan ya Imani Africa ani kope Ghana wamo eka ho bie na atro krata wade akoma Ghana mampanyi ye rachontromani mahama afei asoye a ehwo manyina mahode wonsam so ebi aso wom so etrasa nkomo ntina se na wom nhwe ye pa ensusu biribi esanse enuoma bo no sane yesi bi kosoro na fango bo enso ekosoro no aya na emu edin edema oman ni ye pa na ye ka sei won mo kire mo se kwaba no sase aban no etie wom a enkebe bo ama na enuoma bo no wakwa ekosoro adwarifo se wom tutum ahyenkafo so se ye no saade ni nyina eto betumi atwa ama no ye na mom sa aban no yese wo bu nua na wode aguna somu a ansha eni chebi Ghana nuoma bo be kosoro afei ahokire fita pa ena ba beso ye ne manfo so nam so nti wo mo sere sana ne kire yada no Ghana ban entie wo moen na sidi no baako ekiripo ensia ene num 1 Ghana cedis 65 pesos and one shasa fango bo wo be dia free so na fe Ghana fo betumi an ha wo mo se ha chia o manfo pi na wo mo sere Ghana mampanyi sana ne kire yada wo dia no yie ba enka wo mo bo ebeje wo mo
SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra so enie ye toa hot bites kase bono so ede amamo ewo apomudin ensemu so afo ya woda sasoye no ano eye onumunyamfo kwabena minta akando na wode atu dwa se free primary healthcare enhyehyɛ ya ban ede basa de be ya anya bia apomudin ho nsem ubowura yaresabia bia na se uti ne pa wo yem na keka wo na enkyere supi se ubekita sika bumbi ansa na wanya apomde adwumayefo amoma hwe no eno ho na mowa na ban no eda soa etu no se wo mo ebesisi 350 health post ye wo mansini ahodo be ye oha adurunum emu e wo Ghana mu a ne nyina no ehye free primary healthcare enhyehyɛ no ase na wode nsem we nyina etu dwanne wabra wone soafo woda egitahudie ano ewo atenaye kese mu onumunyamfo Felix Kwachi ofosu womo ekokọ mmeme yahuduo binum ebiti se mega waterhouse warehouse bia ewotema empotem ho womu wieye na womde womani chiemu ewo Madina ehyehyehye free primary healthcare centers no mmeme yahuduo bia womo ebeye sa project no na sa dwumadie no ase enwode ensem kakra etuja.
As part of our preparation towards the launch of the free primary healthcare, this is another concept, and we call it a head post. So we are deploying not less than 350 of these posts, and we will situate it in highly populated areas like market, like lorry parks, for health workers to work from that point. And so at every point, we will have, access to water.
Wei eye omai soafo ya wo hye apomudin ensem so onumunyamfo kwabena minta akando
na mrashaba jani ya wajina mude mo manfo a ewa wutu senya isabato mpeso so wonmonyamfo Felix na akoyo anso anadi abasobode eme na sabasobo yi akwode ma owura Julius ni kwe ya wono aye abankra chepanyini ya woda DVLA ano na watraso panye pa no waya de ye pa jase wode abrochira bagana wama Ghana ankasa DVLA adwuma no emu aye da ya kono aye nika ede ya kan wa menei se kwaba no se obi kura mpo ekwopa number plate ni ade a wo mra hu afei wo bi kwa renew ne license nso a wo mra hu kura bibia kwa ya befo so ama ne nyina no aye nikasem anam so ama o kire mu se senkaye na nka afoforo ye a wo mu twa muo ansa na yera Julius ebei anka wa mo hyase a ankanya no Ghana ye bere kura anka hyenkafo bere dodo no anu nkesa senka to atwa ye anka ne nyina mu no nka kwakosie na so ne nyina nkanfo no yera Julius wa ya ade pa ye wo se osafata abasobode wore sanse we nyina to dwa ebra na won mu bie DVLA won mu office foforo kura ano ewo kasoa ene se yamane boni na na opon checheku wo fra bi edebro yisi
we are this is standard was office via enya it's yenya berma or the CEO of DVLA Julius Ase say with me ama yes so ultra center AKOSUA yenye bi now one thing na me person me breaking news no they say AKOSUA say yen so ye be board number your number plate be start KS AKOSUA ye be board number yen so yenya number nti say no hu kan no now hu alphabet away nima who say KS it means registered in AKOSUA Madam Wase
Pia na just nsem no na no atru no ana panye kwantra for DVL wadano Yera Julius ni kwekote wano so ade kakra eto asose.
You must ensure that the place is as good as Adenta. This place is as good as the head office and will be coming good as Oja. Mr. Osu, you know this place will be under you. I know your level of efficiency and hard work. Please, let AKOSUA be a station everyone will be proud of. Selena will need your support. She will need your rich experience with the work. And we know that you will surely provide her with everything needed for her to operate effectively and efficiently. My senior sister here is in charge of service excellence. They are to ensure that the work done here meets your expectation. Branding, everything meets your expectation. So please, I beg of you to give them your support. The first day I get to know Guru work comes here, then I will have issues with me.
I was on your turn and Kaya Panya Quantra for your DVL Wadano. Yera Julius Nikwe Koti.
Swafo abedi chire ya wo hye ehumasua ensam so munyamfo Clement Apak e de atudwa chire mu ehia se yebeboa na ya hye technical ene vocational skill training enhye ne ya hye mu kinasa se ogidi se eno ebetimi abie kwan bebre ene akonya e de ama omenkan kwani tutupa ene sikasem na odi nsem we nyina etudwa wabra Ghana TVET service for afei Federal Ministry a womoda homasua ano family affairs any enkuokuo ahodo women and youth for nyina ka bomu and one the excellence awards dwumadie bi ehye so say one bom ho modern e wo technical yensa no human vocational education e ho e wo Ghana ha no ye betimi abosa institutions no wo mo abaso ye pa na ne nkasa emu no wasere se awofo ne kese se oba e kasa wo pese wonya TVET ntete a emre bi atwemu na yesese be wabon a e na osua ensa no adwuma hu sese enya saa nete na wo hye nsachraye sronko ye aba e wo ensa no nyuma entete a ekoso we schools ahodo no emu a eye nkuranhye kese pa enti awofo no so se wo ba chusi se wo bekọ ba bi a etesa ensi saa nipa kro ne kwan.
Very, very important conduit for national development. And the evidence is there for us to see. The reason why we like German products, we like Korean products, we like American products, we like Japanese products is because of TVET. These are countries whose development has shown that technical vocational education and training is the way to go. The benefits are numerous. First of all, once you have the ability and the competence to create with your hands, it gives you an advantage. The advantage is that even if you don't establish your own business, jobs are easily available. I mean, as we speak today, plumbers get jobs to do, carpenters get jobs to do, masons get jobs to do, mechanics get jobs to do, jewelers get jobs to do, matrons get jobs to do. And that is because they are doing what is essential for the daily survival of our species, and they are doing what improves the conditions of our humanity.
Dr. Clement Apak ena yetene nkan wono eyeswafo bedi ekira wo hwe homasua ensem so wakasa wie ye no Vice Chancellor ya woda Accra Technical University ano Owura Amevi Akakpovi wono so ekiremu neni sopa se Ghana TVET service for womatimi edi dwumadie bi a etisei ahyehye so a ene na nsem ntemu kura ye se Accra Technical University ye bo ma baso se wo mo na 2025 no ye ka tertiary university ye wo Ghana ha no mo a wo mo bo mo ho modin ye pa wo mo ena edi kan.
I am happy to receive this prestigious award at the TVET Excellence and Award Ceremony today on behalf of Accra Technical University. And this award is that of the best school tertiary for 2025. We are humbled by this recognition, and at the same time, we feel a great sense of responsibility. For us, it's not too much a hazard because this has been a year where we try a lot of innovations. Apart from the core business that make our university what they are, which got to do with teaching, research, and even community services, I think university ought to be innovative in this our time to be able to provide a platform for students to really do innovative things. And Accra Technical University over the past few years, and especially the year 2025, has been identified for several of such innovations. Account among other things, the creation of our Center for Entrepreneurship and Incubation Services. We support students to develop projects and bring those projects to fruition that even can be commercialized.
Vice Chancellor ya Oda Accra Technical University ano Owura Amevi Akakpovi ena yete ninken yamane boni na opon chicheku ena di wei ebae.
Ade abako a yana san tontom ketewa yi wabaka wo. Na wakonya yare kakra ka malaria ko bana sa no a. Ne ko no na akwa den dia ma wo. Wo na mu ye wo ya emotwetwen awasa de wo. Wo kora ye wo de wo. Aduane si wanim so ntumi ni. Eye ntontom ba ko peye. Na wonya time herbal mixture. Saya de we ya ye kan wasemi wono to nkwanta mapai enya de antontom no kro obebe wo sanse time no wankasa no edini mu odu eye TIME time herbal mixture na sam ne ye kan sa no malaria fever or say away ejane se hum wa bra ensan so emabiem aduane na wontumi nie no wo betumi atibia de ama ho atɔ waposo na ye wo ya no ne nyina ba ba yira de afiri ho bomode aso obekɔ me ya wodo a ye ton enuro wo kɔ a wo so per time TIME one sabatumi akabi bibia ne afrɛ 0244 4176669 0244 4176669 nana mpanyfo ani nkomo na mmom hyane nso sai eye stroke diabetes analysis na ye woja prostate issue na bema wanya na mojabro so wo kidney no eho aka entena se kura antwentwen so anyesa wanhwa na bambo wo baba ma so semframa no wode wokɔ medimafo eba center won wa doctor wode bra na ye na ade wode time ato yade no so de ama wo won wo hye wo na awotwe na awotwe empa ho entwam eduru ya ne se ho to wo ye befo a wo se yade bi tse typhoid ne nyina wo hye etu ase na wo mpa bi ate se doctor meneme kunu meyere ye ware ye emfie duniye ye awo kura amada wo se no kura de wo mpa bi ate kura wo ma oba na drama na nom na nadwo de hwe mu gona wono mo ane se onu kunu sia jazare be che no dem bosom be so abakwa test no positive abosom enkro ba wo ba fa wono afa ba na de adanse aba besom no ayemedimafo aba center asem ne kana sa no asa agoro so asempa wokọ akra o pokua se mayira kuma so wo abo akwa gogo wona government school di hwani mu for doctor na ne nkomo ate wo yira na wa chero na chira kwan yi 0244 774282 0244 774282 and 0500 727215 and one more any enkomo ye general so ye dan ye hotel ye ba o manansem ye be ko
Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra. Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra.
Midimafo ba clinic aba Accra.
Ani o wontie, passengers egumi kai mu. E ho na dodo na ekro.
Ene sa Accra ne botem ye demo.
Ani ye demo ampa. De se de, edutwam Atlantic International University, America memu. Abo Dr. Dujamfi Babaso, honorary degree as a professor in biology in herbal medicine. It is said here, ayaresa no, aye more. Oh, missing minim wife ye kopa wo. 1 year 1 city. Nyin be to mu ansa na ye tues ka no. Nso mi connection na encheda nkoye na esakakra ti say wa pege mu amahode ambam
connection ne mu de we
obo we ba de kura wa ba ru kura ba de kura ye ka stroke nso de wo fa no small chese agidi wa wuo ne de asie no yare bia etatia e wo Dr. Tamda so andi so diabetes, hepatitis B, prostate, hypertension, malaria yare bia kuma say
owo agogo opposite government school no
na nkra so obepiem e wo pokuase mayira kwan no so for doctor 0244 774 282
and 0500 727215.
Midimafo Herbal Clinic.
Wudimafo ne hwa.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yama wakwaba wa SOMPA First Service, our SOMPA TV ne SOMPA Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesaki Kwambo.
Onyankopon di fa wastra no ewiye brim. Enam ne nsaso ama Onyankopon we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We ne butaiti to SOMPA First Service. Our homayen enye TV program keke. Eyebra osro ne asasi hia. Eyebro Onyankopon kasa chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
Ma SOMPA First Service entwa wo hu hoda eyadwada kusi efiada anopa no num kusi anopa no nsie fa woda no nyina share radens na erade beye
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu yenti abaso bo ma je ne wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu je international awards ahodo wo mu je local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia je 21st clinic nkwa wo mu die bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha se ye wo Tantra Hill roundabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni faso wo fra masaman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so e ho na wo behu ye 0540311311 0540311311 There's a 21st clinic. Still, woman is sciatica expert.
SOMPA TV, Emma Aketiapa.
Market yapa ampa ebusua da mwasese monya brame ya dane ye ho akwaba ye koni akwakọ wie kase no nyina e wo bani man no emu na wo so afo a wo hwe sikasem so ye frɛ no Romuald Wadani ye kase wo kogina ye se wo monto ne so aba wo presidential election na ekoso e wo bani man no emu enko wiase aba ne to a ya to ama finance minister no enye asem kuma wo ohamu chichemu aduokron 94% vote ena wonyaye ewo abatoɔ no emu na ukɔ bani man no emu a wɔmo abatoɔ komisa no de woda no ye frɛ no sakalafia wono ne bɛyɛ announcement no eno anajo en wode to dwa ekiremu ese wo hye saa bre no kra provisional resource anu wo monsa aka ekyese papa no wodie ni mu a wo kokora dendenden enti opposition leader de na wone no kopre no Paul Hunkwe ya wono no ne da carry forces for ano ya wo kɔ bani man ni mu a ye kyerese political party ba ko a eno so apagya ni mu pa e wo ho no wone ne kosi akan no enko wiase ena owura Paul fa phone wo friend say oh Mr. Wadani said the no mercy fe ko de wa boadwuma we nya afa ni e betwe aka say electoral commission kra wo mo embambe ya announcement bia say we na awe ana we na edi nkunim nto ono ankasa concede defeat ena wo frɛ eye owura Wadani ya wo de congratulations e man say wa ya de papa enti se si ano kane Beni Mampeni Patrice Talon wono wako 2 full terms na womo terms na yemfie nunum enti 5 years na wako mienu enti 10 years en wedie e wakonya no so a ene womo kɔto abaye ansakire foforo aba Romuald Wadani wono ene ba beye panyini pa kandifo ewo Beni mine emu na womo kire mu se enche pi mu beti na Benifo won ye yese yetiti kuku nsemsem bi enti womo kra no womo ani na se omanfo beti ase akwa abato so akoto enya asomdue se de womo anya no enti sesi ade womo atena ye kase mu kutonu ene mpotem ahodo de enije celebrations nko a ena ekoso a Benin Finance Minister Romuald Wadani ya wokogina yesa womonto no so aba no wadi nkunim ewo abato no emu eno so na ye gina na anwumre ensema hodo a yede ebesomo se hot bite kase ebo ene nto aso no ye ne nyina esi amamode na edi mu akotene bi ene se osofo bi ni nipa mienu eka ne ho a yakwache wo se akoda botofo a wadi bosumi ne enum anka wo mkwa kosie no animu no so no yede wo mkopie mu ewo bibie ni circuit court no aremande wo mo na wotwe mienu
Sanso ana ebusuade baba somosa eduwatch ade akoto aban no anim sa school bia no a enkoda baba apo ewomu no headmaster na headmistress yenyinadi
Ghana any European Union wo mo sansan entiase apam eno no eba beboa se de be ya bambo ho asem yahye ahodo so ensuo so ene niema bi ebetimi aboa ma etuatefo ema wo mamu no wo ma hyemu kina
Imani Africa anafe Kopek eni ku ahodo bi e ka ho de ato aban no anim se sanka batumi afa wante so 1 Ghana cedis 65 pesos
adwadifo a ewo kumase wo mo abontenani se wo mo batwimo make se pass empenifo ahwe no wo mo anya hyehye se de be ya kejetia phase 2 project no wo betimi awie
oh my Ghana photo sanfo so kirasa Ghana no ye guana moto so ya ye kokko yanim na enche ye ka ye de ye betuatua ni nyina ada
ye de wo ekọ bani man no emu se wo mo photo sanfo Romo World
Medima for about center the time that so as well as na afa time about me so malaria fever draw eno no ye ne abatana se ne ye kenkan ye adema wo no eye me AKOSUA AGYEIWAA kwade boaten mene
Adwoa Asare yadamu nyina se amamumu eni